Thank you so much for joining me today to check out this awesome townhouse in the Arbor Oaks community of Beaverton. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhome is just shy of 1,500 square feet and ideally located near Intel, Nike, and the 26 freeway for super easy commutes. The floor plan provides you with everything you need. There's tons of storage in the kitchen with lots of cabinets, a pantry, and a breakfast bar. The spacious living room features a gas fireplace and a large slider that leads to a private back patio with a green belt just beyond. Upstairs, you'll find a large primary suite with high ceilings, a luxurious ensuite bathroom with double sinks, a soaker tub and a shower, and there's even a walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms upstairs provide flexibility for use as bedrooms, maybe a home office, or even a home gym, or whatever else you might need. Both upstairs bathrooms have updated tile flooring, plus a newer vanity in the hall bathroom. The laundry room is also conveniently located on the 2nd floor. The modest HOA fees here cover exterior maintenance, front landscaping, common elements, and the fences, making this truly hassle-free living. In fact, the association is just finishing up with new roofs, gutters, and exterior paint. This awesome townhouse is a solid buy and truly turnkey. Reach out to me for more information or to book a private showing.